Welcome! If you want to control who can comment on your public posts on Facebook, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to allow only your friends to comment on your public posts using the Facebook app on your PC. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a menu with several options. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. After that, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage everything about your Facebook account. Now, look for the section called Followers and Public Content. This is where you can control who interacts with your public posts. Click to enter this section. Inside, you'll see an option labeled Who can comment on your public posts? Click on it. Here, you'll find a few choices for who can comment: public, friends of friends, or friends. To make sure only your friends can comment on your public posts, select Friends. This means that even if your post is set to public, only people you've added as friends will be able to leave comments. Once you've made your choice, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. You've now set up your Facebook so that only your friends can comment on your public posts. This is a great way to keep your conversations more private and avoid unwanted comments from strangers, while still sharing your moments with a wider audience. Remember, you can always come back and change these settings anytime you want. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.